If you want a simple, classic, casual bracelets that you can use it every day without any concern, take shower and do whatever, style yourself and be very convenient with it, this is what I recommend. This type of stainless steel, which are very high quality and very reasonable prices comparing with silver and gold, and you don't need to be worried about changing the color, never ever. That's my 100% guarantee on these stainless steel chains. Did you like this video all about stainless steel chain, bracelets, Cuban chain and Figaro chain design? And till next Wednesday, see you soon. So much love is always here.